In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an email as file in Outlook. We'll look at the new Outlook and Outlook on the web, including saving to PDF and then the classic desktop version, so you can pick the method that matches what you use. Let's start with the new Outlook and the web version. First, open the email you want to keep. In the top right corner of that message, click the More Actions button, the one that looks like 3 dots. From there, choose Save As. Outlook will create a copy of your email as a file, typically in either the .eml or .msg format. Both formats preserve the original content and any attachments. The .eml format is widely compatible with many mail apps, while MSG is designed specifically for Outlook. Pick a location you'll remember and give the file a clear name so you can find it later. If you need a PDF version in the new Outlook or on the web, select the email, then choose Print. You can also get there by clicking the 3 dots and selecting Print. In the printer options, choose Save as PDF and then click Save. This captures the email's layout and is a great choice when you need a snapshot that's easy to share or archive. Keep in mind that a PDF shows the message content and header details. If your email has attachments, the PDF won't embed those files, so save attachments separately if needed. Now, for classic Outlook on the desktop, the process is just as straightforward. Double-click the email to open it in its own window. Go to File, then Save As. Choose the folder where you want it. Give the file a meaningful name and pick your format. The .msg format is best if you want a complete Outlook copy with full fidelity and attachments. If you need a lightweight searchable version, .txt works well, though it strips formatting. For a formatted, viewable copy in a browser, choose .html. When you are ready, click Save. That's it. Thanks for watching.